everybody, Las Vegas Bus Sales.
Take a walk around, check it out. Hey everybody, it's Las Vegas Bus Sales. Johnny Ringo here. Excited to show some of my favorite buses, which are Bluebird All-Americans. These are 2004 Bluebird All-American right here. It's powered by Cummins 8.3 ISC in the rear right there, propelled by an Allison transmission. That's a Series 3000 underneath there. This bus has low mileage on it here. We scanned the ECM and everything, but it also seats 84 kids or 56 adults. Make a great crew hauler, adventure tours or something like that. Let's take a walk around, check it out. Just a solid older bus. We sell a lot of these. Tires, there's plenty of tread on these tires. Not the steers. I'm thinking of the rears. Steers, no. The rears, yes, but they do have some years on them. A lot of meat, a lot of years. How many? We can get those for you. Let's keep the video going here. You can always ask us for a tread depth or any of those specs on the tires. And check out this engine compartment. I've already looked in here. That is a clean Cummins engine. Of course, we got that large AC compressor. Big AC system in this bus. You're gonna operate in some warm climates. Looking down the side, we're looking good. Of course, we got tinted windows with that big AC. Looking good. This bus right here actually has, they look like, they're not, those weren't ours, Dan, were they? These were the ones that were, the batteries were diehard on there. And I couldn't find a date on them, but they look like they're new. This bus hasn't had any issues starting up or anything, so let's go on inside the bus and check it out. You know what, I'll hop in the driver's seat. Let's show it to him. Let's fire it up. I'm gonna fire this thing up. Of course, we've got all our switches. You got all your AC controls. You got power mirrors over here. That's important to note. Let me show you those.
They work.
They work, Dan said. Of course, you got your rear lights and everything, high idle, and cruise control, which is a real nice feature. Let me see, can we get the, oh, I just cleared it, okay. Can you see the odometer? 67,000 on there. We've scanned this bus. Of course, you got this, the push button Allison transmission and your heater controls. What do you rank the seats, Dan?
8.5.
8.5 out of 10 on the seats. Yeah.
We can make it a 9.5.
I saw some couple scratches somewhere on the floor.
If you
need them covered, Dan said he can cover them. There were some floor repairs, a couple of spots. Decent. Floors look decent. Nothing to get excited about. But they'll do the job. Of course, this bus comes with a lot of safety features. You've got your rooftop emergency hatches, and then you got your egress windows, an array of mirrors, front and rear steel bumpers, all the safety features on a school bus. They're nice. Pricing availability, where do you find it? LasVegasBusSales.com, or give us a call, 877-456-9804. It's a beautiful day in Las Vegas. Have a nice day.